Good Monday, everyone. Hope your week's off to a wonderful start. It's certainly off to a pollinated start. This is the 5-day allergy forecast. This only goes up to level 12. We're almost 9 today. We are 9 tomorrow, and then we go up to 10 on Wednesday and Thursday, and then back down to level 9 on Friday. So get ready for some pollen. USA mortgage level of concern? No weather worries for our Monday, so we're starting the week off right. Premier Generators brings us our threat graphic. When can we be concerned? Well, I'm monitoring tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Not looking like anything too widespread or too crazy, but some very low end threats on Tuesday, especially for you folks. Let's say from along the north of a line from, say, Livingston to Jamestown to Oneida and points north. So let's say closer to the Kentucky border you are, the better the chance you have for a strong storm. That risk is very, very, very low, but it's not zero. And then I think our better chance for everyone may come Thursday. Again, not looking like anything too crazy, but definitely something I'm keeping an eye on. Our 5-day forecast shows partly cloudy skies for Monday, south winds at 10, gusting to 20. So yesterday was a very calm day. Today's going to start getting a little windier, and then the rest of the week's looking rather breezy as well. Highs near 80 on through Thursday, but we do have a 50-50 shot for scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, another 50-50 shot. And then Thursday, we go up to 70% as well as on Friday. So that increased coverage of showers and thunderstorms will also come with a bit of an increased risk for one of those being strong or severe. And I'll certainly keep a very close eye on that. Looking at our rainfall forecast, not looking at anything much today. I did have a 20% chance on today, and I've taken that off. I just don't think we're going to get there. Not much tomorrow. A little bit better on Wednesday. And then Thursday is looking like maybe the better chance for getting some precip to accumulate in that rain gauge. And then on Friday, we're dropping back down to a quarter of an inch. Keep in mind, this is a daily estimated precip forecast. If you get under a stronger storm, you'll certainly get a little bit more than this. Extended threat outlooks, really just keeping an eye on this week. Not seeing anything too threatening coming next week at this point. Notice I did put blackberry winter on Saturday. Yeah, it's going to get chilly next weekend. Overnight lows in the 30s. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramble Travel, we had a rough day on this day in 2002. Severe thunderstorms raked Middle Tennessee, even producing an F3 tornado in Rutherford County. That was 8 miles southeast of Murfreesboro. And even down in Murray County, a 2-story home destroyed by fire following a lightning strike. 1928, check this out, a Central Appalachian snowstorm slams West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and Maryland with heavy, heavy snow. And look at this, high winds accompanying the heavy, wet, snow-uprooted trees and unroofed a number of homes. Can you imagine dealing with a blizzard and then your house's roof gets blown off? That's a rough stuff, but man. Anyway, you folks have a wonderful Monday and keep looking up. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.